Making cappuccino. Fill the milk container and attach it to the nozzle, pushing as far as it will go. Place a sufficiently large cup under the coffee spouts and the frothed milk spout. Adjust the length of the milk spout. To move it nearer the cup, simply pull it downwards. Turn the froth adjustment dial on the milk container lid to the position corresponding to the required froth. Press the Cappuccino button. Cappuccino is displayed, together with a progress bar which fills gradually as preparation proceeds. After a few seconds, frothed milk is delivered from the milk spout into the cup below. For drinks with coffee, the machine automatically makes the coffee after delivering the milk. If during delivery you want to stop making milk or coffee, press the Cappuccino button twice. At the end of delivery, to increase the quantity of milk or coffee in the cup, within 3 seconds, press and hold the Cappuccino button. Do not leave the milk container out of the refrigerator for long periods. The warmer the milk, 5 degrees Celsius is ideal, the poorer the quality of froth produced.